I've seen a lot of people on various Sony forums and the likes asking about He's back again. Hello, dog. You stay there. You're not making this easy for me. You're not. Right. Comfy? Awesome. Not on me microphone. So I've seen people on various Sony forums and the likes asking about the ability... You're an idiot. You are. So I've seen many people on various Sony forums and the likes asking, is it possible to set your Sony cameras up to be able to record RAW to one card and JPEG to the second card? And this was one of the first things that I wanted to know as soon as I got my Sony camera as well, because when I shoot like kind of commercial work and stuff like weddings, quite often my setup is to save RAW to one card, JPEG to another. And that was the setup that I used to use on my 5D Mark IIIs and the likes, and I wanted to carry on the same sort of setup on my A7 III if at all possible. Well, the good news is, yes, you can do it, and it is very straightforward to do. Would you like to explain to them how to do it? Okay. Tell them, dog. So the very first thing you need to do is go into your menu systems, and under tab 1, page 1, option 1, you have file format. Set this to RAW and JPEG. Then you go over to tab 5, page 6, and the option for record media settings. Under this you will find recording mode. Simply set recording mode to RAW and JPEG, and this will set one card to save JPEG and one card to save RAW. Now, wasn't that nice and easy? Yes, it was. Thank you very much indeed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that was of some help to you. Just a quick tutorial about how to set up recording different file formats to different cards in your Sony Alpha cameras. If you have any questions or queries, as always, comment box is down below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and hopefully, we'll see you in the next video.